if you want to use magnification on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to open settings, scroll down into settings to go to accessibility, choose it, and then we want to go to vision enhancements. Now over here scroll down in order to find magnification, select it, and now we need to create the magnification shortcut. So let's tap on the switcher and then we need to select what kind of shortcut we want to use. So we have different combinations. I'm gonna just simply use the accessibility button that will be visible in the bottom right corner. So if you chose the accessibility button again, then we can tap on this icon in order to turn on and turn off magnification. So if you turn it on, then we can use this bottom right corner icon here in order to change the position. You can also zoom in and zoom out to adjust the magnification with the pinching gesture. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!